So if you're watching this video, I'm gonna play level devil. Okay, I already know this
Hi,
part
Lawrence.
and
Taga
this
sa'yo
part.
ka Uy, nawala na si Sarah.
Time two. Okay, again.
Tap.
Okay.
Maribuko.
Lord, time one.
Wait, nani?
Lord, time two. Lord, three. Time four.
Does your kid love books but doesn't want to do the
Fuck off, nigga. Lord, time one. Mm-hmm.
Wala akong account.
Message. Amo ito pa si Sursik.
Wala nga.
Message. Amo ito pa si
Kaya matalapat ko. Ay, natumba.
And Zumba. Message. Para ito pa si 6-7. My binge.
Gwen.
Vinci, my Vinci. Ah! Vinci, my Vinci. My
Angelo,
Vinci.
join the live. Sure.
Adriana Salte.
Angelo. Angelo? Angelo.
Angelo o
Hi sa 4 viewers.
Tok mo man.
Apat sinda, apat.
Tok mo man. Vinci, my Vinci.
Jamay, hi Jamay. May nag-join, Jamay 0032. Narinig ko, I don't know why. Ingkoy baga. Koy, tagay mo bansa.
How the
Meow. Ako man nga.
Easy. Fuck you, bitch.
Yan.
Fuck Ronnie.
What
the fuck is Ronnie? Fuck off, ma fuck off. Ma fuck off, ma fuck off. Fuck off, nigga. I'm gonna. Mongoloid na yan. Holy shit, man. What? Fucking kill myself. Vinci, message. I need to pass it professor. 6-7. 6-7.
Pangiton ka ba?
No. Ouch. I know the exit is right over here.
Ay, Thailand.
Yeah, fuck off.
Where are you from? Why are you not talking?
Ching-chang.
Ay, nagsuntukan puksaan na.
Puta.
Siguro dapat i-heart-heart.
Negro. Okay, I know this part.
Ay,
Because
taga-Thailand
I have
girl siya.
experienced a lot of trolls
Ate ka.
in games. Like, I wanna test this game. Or something like that. I don't know. You stupid bitches. 20 minutes still done.
Kinamberlu?
No.
Are you Bisaya? Bisaya. Puno ng saging.
Ah.
Siomay? Siopaw?
Siopaw, may siopaw. May sio? Ha? Vinci? May Vinci? May Vinci? Ouch.
Singkong?
Kangkong. Kangkong. Kangkong.
Parang?
Ah? Kangkong.
What?
Parang kangkong. No, fuck you,
We're
bitch.
from Philippines. Ay, nawala.
No. No, no. Vinci, may Vinci, may Vinci,
Uy,
maseche.
baka ano kita ka
Narito
to?
pa si Professor si. Puta.
Ano man?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, no.
Huh?
Too easy, man. Make it more. Negro.
Hi,
I know what that
princess.
is. So this is like the the game called
Invite mo si Angela.
Fever Meme. Yeah, Fever Meme. Cengkidoy. Enrique.
Barceloneta, Kabusaw, Camarines.
Zabul zabul. Zabul zabul.
Ikakada sa
Zabul zabul. I have only again I have only level develer.
Okay.
The fuck? I have only again?
Hi,
I have
princess.
only okay,
Angelo, join the line. Hi,
Man.
dollar sign.
take it back from my heart.
And
Easy.
kaso lang mga poker at Hi, yan. Adrian, like, dapat maka 20k ka. Tap-tap na lang, matap-tap na lang hanggang may magdala ko.
You're weird, right?
Yeah, a little.
Yung nga,
Sorry, I've been stuck on this level all
itong
day.
CJ.
Oh, I know this game.
Itong CJ,
You play it?
Yeah, all the time. So, what level are you on?
kasi lang GG mo ng buhok, parang kani.
No. Move out first.
Oh, wait. That worked.
See? Oh, yeah.
Ah. Wait, no ads?
Yeah, that's why it's good. No ads, free, and you don't need Wi-Fi.
Okay, that's actually nice.
No ads, free, no Wi-Fi. And also, apparently, a great icebreaker.
Adrian Lee.
Nakakita ako sa luwa. Gagi.
Oy,
Hello, my friend. Look at me. Bading.
may Manila boy, oh. Sino ba yan?
Ako si Manila. City. Galing ako sa Manila.
Hi, Jay.
Hi,
Sebastian.
Kuya. Hi, pangit.
Who's Yobert?
Nagtang-tang. Ayun na naman si Papansin ah. Hey!
Ano? Sana
Ay.
knockout ka?
No, don't touch the coins.
Noy. Tangi na mong naman. No! It's impossible. No, I'm just kidding. It's possible by just doing the calculations, Enrique. Oh my god, no, it's backwards. Okay. That's easy because I play Roblox all the time. I forgot. So, is there... Oh shit. Okay, it's inverted all the time. What the fuck? Oh,
Uy,
that's
mag-loud
easy.
ka. Bad man yan.
That's easy. So easy. Aray mo. Uba. Tingnan na eh. Uba ka. Tingnan na eh. Hindi, taka-invite sa birthday ko. Joke lang. Masarap ka pang birthday. Yung kadakol pa kong May gusto ko, Hilot. Abo! Talagan. Inga na eh!
Taga-sain ka mo. Bicol po. Uy! Gago.
Lubong tayo.
Hi, Catherine. Bitch, get the fuck out. Hindi ko may bastado. Yeah, pero ano, expired na. Expired na. Ay, mamay na daw. Hi, Jello. Invite.
Right.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I
Alam
ended
mo
up
kung
in this
baliktad ang salamin.
Oh my god. I only intended to play this game for 15 minutes, but I ended up sitting with it for hours.
Hi, Jeddah.
Dodge! Dodge!
Right, I'm gonna end this here because it's near 15 minutes.